I am Dimitri Finas. Welcome to this short video where I will present you how we can use ServiceNow AI agents in the OT domain. But first, I will present you what is the problem that we want to solve and how we plan to solve it. Our problem here is that it is hard to follow all the prescriptions to do preventative maintenance of your OT devices, simply because there are too many manual operations in order to do it. It is painful to find the prescriptions, and it is painful to create the maintenance plan in order to follow. How we want to solve it? Simply by automating all these tasks. First, the search of the vendor recommendation, and then the creation of the maintenance task. For this, we will use ServiceNow AI agents technology, and we will leave the full control of the usage to the user in order to avoid any hallucination, and also only to create the useful task, maintenance task. At the end, the value that we want to achieve is to have clear preventative maintenance plan so that we ensure better reliability and improve all OT devices availability and safe functioning. Let's go to the solution. What you can see here is the list of maintenance plan available on my demo platform. On the right side here, I will use No Assist in order to generate a new maintenance plan for a specific model. So here I ask for using the maintenance plan generator. Yes, I want to use OT maintenance plan generator. In order to work, the maintenance plan generator needs a specific vendor and model for your OT device. So that's what I will provide now. So I'm searching maintenance plan for Siemens Simatic S7 1500. So first, an agent will search the web for the detailed maintenance plan. That's what I can see here. And ask me if I want to create the maintenance plan and the maintenance schedule. So I will say yes. So first it creates the maintenance plan. Okay. So if I refresh my screen here, I will see the new maintenance plan that is generated for my Siemens device. And then it will ask me to generate the different maintenance task and maintenance schedule. For example, here, the daily check task. Check for any error or message alarm with a frequency of daily. And I can see also the source of this maintenance task is the Siemens user manual, so that I avoid hallucination. So I will say, yes, I want to create this. And I will look more into the detail of my maintenance plan. As you can see, there is no maintenance schedule created for the moment, but you can see that this maintenance plan is created for all Siemens Simatic S7, so not for only one device, but for all the device that matches this model. We wait for the creation of the maintenance schedule. Again, the output is success. So if I refresh my page here, I can see the daily check schedule created. And if I zoom on it, I can see that it is a repeatable task every one day. Now it asks me to create the weekly checks, so I will say yes again. I will come back to the maintenance plan. For sure, we can let the agent create standalone all the different tasks, but here we prefer to validate each task because we want it to be sure that the agent is working correctly. So now the weekly schedule has been created. As you can see, we can ensure that we automate totally the search of the vendor recommendation and the creation of the maintenance task. Behind the scene, in order to run this, we use an AI use case called OT Maintenance Plan Generator. This use case relies on two agents, a maintenance plan searcher that is relying on a skill in order to search for the web for the correct maintenance plan and avoid hallucination by validating the source, and a maintenance plan creator that is using all the data, the input data from this maintenance plan searcher in order to first create a maintenance plan and then create the different schedules. The idea to create this agent was coming from Mark Seda, and Theo Simons created the first version of the search agent that I enhanced in order to add the maintenance plan creator. Thank you for your attention.